So legends, welcome to today's vlog 272 on the Miles Roldan channel. Today's vlog focuses on the flashing that Foreman Rocky and Didong Jerson have just purchased for the Dream Home building project. This will be used to make sure everything is watertight on that roof. Welcome to the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. Subscribe if you're new, like the content and share. Legends, welcome to vlog 272 on the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miles Roldan, and welcome to Sapian and Capiz in the Philippines, where I'm currently building a small and humble home in the Philippines for my parents and my brother and I to enjoy whilst we're on vacation. It's called the Dream Home building project, and we are in the process or near completion of this build. And we are currently working on the outside kitchen as well as rendering on the first floor. So join me in today's vlog as we give you updates on with the vlog. So legends, welcome to today's vlog 272 on the Miles Roldan channel. Today's vlog focuses on the flashing that Foreman Rocky and Didong Jerson have just purchased for the Dream Home building project. This will be used to make sure everything is watertight on that roof. Welcome to the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. Subscribe if you're new, like the content and share. So legends, Nunoy Jovin, again, if you've seen the previous vlog, Nunoy Jovin started this rendering on this column in this ground floor room, and it looks more or less there. I would say he's got a few more bits to do on it just at the top there, and it's fully rendered. And then it looks like he will move on to this one because Tum Tum has already chiseled some holes ready for the rendering to be thrown onto it. So yeah, I'd say he's around 95% of the way there on this column, and he'll move over to here, and we'll capture this progress in today's vlog. All right, on with the vlog. So legends, I'm just hanging out of this main door here, on the back door, sorry, and you'll see this long strip of light here on the roof. This is what this flashing that you saw in the opening scenes will be used to cover and plug this all up. It will form an L on the actual roof and the wall, and it will just stop any rain that's coming from the wall from entering and sliding down this roof area and through this gap that you may see light poking through on. So that's what the aim of the flashing is. I'll give you a better angle once we get upstairs, but that's kind of where we're at with it, legends. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, you can always use the comment section. and and give me some criticism for my explanation, or commend me for my English explanation. On with vlogs. So legends, we are using manpower to bring these long span up to the roof at the back of the property. So legends, you'll notice we're not using any cranes, any forklifts, any heavy machinery, all willpower and manpower. Our strongest man, si John Leo, just lantaw lang. So here is the long span legends, and I imagine that they will use this to cover that last section there next to our neighbour, just to ensure it looks nice, because they have a brand new house as well. Foreman Rocky is just giving the last bits and pieces a quick coat of red lead just before we cover it completely, and it's not as accessible, so some of these rebar that have been left behind are getting a coat. It's those finer details, legends, that I appreciate, because they could easily just have left that and that becomes a problem at a later point. But working smart, working hard, working smart goes hand in hand. Add efficiency there, legends, and we don't do the job twice. And the rendering continues on this first floor bedroom, legends. John Liu on the outside and Didong Jerson giving the column a render from the inside. If you're having any questions regarding what you're seeing in today's vlog, legends, do put them in the comment section below. Let us know what you think. Kind words are always welcome as well. Yeah, what's key is engagement. We're building this channel. If the comment section has a few comments in there, at least YouTube knows we have an audience, a following that enjoy these vlogs. Do remember also, legends, hit that like button, share the content, let the thumbnails do the rounds, and anyone who's interested in it will give it a little click. And do think about subscribing, legends, if you are new to the channel and you haven't already. It doesn't cost you a penny, you just need a Google account head over to YouTube, what you're watching this on right now, and smash that subscribe button. You get regular notifications because we upload every day. Naga tapos ang pamahaw? Tapos na? Good. I'm just asking Jerson if they managed to have their afternoon snack, and he said yeah, it's finished now. We always provide some bread and some soft drinks to keep their energy levels up as they push towards the finish line of today's session. It's around 3:30 in the afternoon here on Independence Day here in the Philippines. So we have around an hour and a half left to play. Hopefully we'll finish these columns as well as Jovin downstairs, and we should finish the roof in today's session, and maybe even the flashing that has been bought. Maybe 1 or 2 can be installed as well. Let's see, we'll manage our expectations as the vlog unfolds. Keep tuned in, loads to see. So legends, regarding that flashing that you saw in the opening scenes, that will just go along this wall, all the way along, and it will just stop any rainwater from hitting the wall and sliding down.
Seperti aku.
Yan nagsakay.
Ay, kumagan. Pa, takron. Oh.
Si Jobert bala?
Oh. Yan sa bata long ya. Gabi ka galing kasi pagsakyan. Dalawa. Bigadon kung dalawa hol. Bigadon kung dalawa kita mo wala sa group na okay sa. Ay, sure bulon talaga kung white siya. Taas sa. Tinggal. Bro, pwede sa kung sa dalon sa no. Sa balda to pwede. Okay.
Ito lang yung repeat eh.
Oh.
No?
Ito po, motor yung same day. Matak pa ba ako? Okay. Okay, gamay pa. Gamay pa kitsok. Oh. Barina mo. Gambar. Nakakakit.
The weather is a lot more better and bearable today, legends. Yesterday was, at this point, was absolutely boiling. But you can see the guys are quite happily just working and working fast. There's no real heat. There's no breeze, but the temperature's a lot lower and the humidity is bearable. Still tropical, don't get me wrong. They're still shirtless, but we're not dripping with sweat. Uncle Colot is here. He has to relocate the downpipes because the 3 downpipes at the rear of the property have been, well, in order for us to put the roof in, we need to move the downpipes. So it's no problem. Uncle Colot needs to just work out a new layout.
Kapalikap.
Yan kayo siya nalikap sa sungai din. Yan po yung nalikap sa sungai din nalikap.
So it looks, legends, like the entire roof now is covered, including the long span that we adapted on there right at the end, just for our neighbours' sake, really, just so they have something nice to look at. But this will all eventually get painted grey, just like the long span, so it should just all kind of mould and mesh together. The guys now are just trying to cover all these holes, and once painted and it all hardens, it should just do the trick, and we're watertight. Again, as I mentioned before, whatever we're putting downstairs underneath this roof isn't of great value. It's cooking equipment, maybe some tables, some chairs, some outdoor furniture, and even if a little bit of rain comes through, it wouldn't be the end of the world. Nancy looks like he's just painting the last bit there. We have a little bit in the middle here, and we're more or less there, legends. It looks like it will be tomorrow's vlog, legends, so tune into tomorrow's vlog for or the next vlog on from this, for the flashing. We'll feature the flashing that was bought in today's vlog, the installation of that in the next one, because we're running out of time now, and I wouldn't expect them to start a job with only half an hour left of play. So it looks like Foreman Rocky is putting a pencil layout down for what he needs cut off. Again, I imagine that will be for tomorrow. Oh, Gidon Gerson is already cutting some off. So legends, that's it for vlog 272 on the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to my channel and you enjoyed what you saw, show me the love, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. If you are one of my ongoing legends, one of my regular viewers of my content, I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much for continuing to support my journey and my vlogs here in the Philippines. Continue with that, please. Until next time, I'll see you in vlog 273. 273 is next. It's me, myself and I, Miles Roldan. Thanks for watching.